Good? Alright, I'm running with BillThe HarleyGuy today. It's a meet and greet. I don't have much camera left, so you're probably not going to see a whole lot, unfortunately. I'll go slower though. I don't think he knows the area I'm thinking I'm too quiet yet, so I'll be nice. As much as a dick I sound like saying that, I'm going on scenic and I had to go there a lot, and y'all know that. It's got a passenger too, I should probably stop doing that. I feel like a dick. Oh, I'm a fucking asshole, dude. Thanks. Yeah. Oh, I'm so fucking in love with street racing. Holy shit, I love it so much. Oh, embarrassing Audi one day, lose to it the next. We're gonna be going there. Cool, I can go that way. Sorry about that. I like street racing a little bit too much.
Oh, shit. You haven't been around my brother.